For today's demonstration video, we'll be demonstrating silver soldering or brazing on stainless steel parts. We're using Harris Safety-Silv 56, a 56% silver brazing alloy. The test parts will be a pair of 1/4-20 stainless steel bolts. And we're using Harris Stay-Silv brazing flux. We apply a healthy quantity of flux to the parts, trying to get plenty of flux on the parts to fully wet out the parts as they heat up. Want to get good wetting out of the brazing alloy to the parts. Torch is a Brazing JT680 propane torch. It's a relatively high output torch. Want to get lots of heat on the parts. We need lots of energy, but we don't actually need excessively high temperatures. This is fine for propane. We don't need MAP gas. We don't need oxyacetylene. Nice large torch flame, getting the parts nice and toasty hot. Normally I'd like to do this on fire bricks, and I'd even like a fire brick hearth with backing to help hold some heat in, but for this part, this should be just fine. We're going to heat the parts. We're not going to heat the brazing alloy. Trying to get the parts hot enough to melt the brazing alloy onto the parts without just painting the brazing alloy on. This is similar to soldering. It's going to take a little while. You can see that the smaller diameter wire that I'm using to hold the parts together is heating up faster than the larger size parts. See the wire is already hot enough to readily braze the parts, even though it doesn't have very much flux on it. And there we go. Even with the hot parts not yet glowing red, we get nice clean wetting out of stainless bolts. This is 18/8 stainless bolts and stainless wire. And there we go. Nice clean braze joint.